Welcome to Calm Minds, the meditation studio. Here, you'll find a peaceful sanctuary for relaxation, mindfulness, and inner balance. Whether you're looking to start your day with focus, wind down after a busy day, or simply find a moment of stillness, you're in the right place. Through a variety of guided meditations, breathing exercises, and sound healing, we'll help you cultivate calmness and clarity in your daily life. We upload new content every Tuesday and Friday, so you can consistently find moments of peace throughout your week. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a moment of calm. Explore our videos from quick 5-minute sessions to deep relaxation experiences, all designed to support your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Take a deep breath and let's embark on this journey to tranquility together.